Hi, my name is Marilou from Portes Levasseur. Today we're going to show you a video about how to measure your spring when it's broken. So first you will need a measuring tape, a pen, and a piece of paper. So step one, you need to identify the side of your spring. So by instance, this spring was installed like this from the inside of the garage, and the plug where you crank the spring is on the right. So that means it's a right side spring. Then step two, you need to measure the total length of the spring without the plugs. So for me, 31.78. Third step is you have to measure 20 coils of the spring. You have to make sure to take 20 good ones. You don't want to take the spaced one. So I put limits before the video, so I already count them, but you need to count all of them. When you have 20, you measure it. So for me, it's 4 inch and 5/8. And the last step is to measure the outside diameter, 2.5 inches. So with those information, we will be able to provide you a new spring for your garage door. And this is the 4 information you need. Don't hesitate to call us if you have any questions.